Google Mariner is an advanced AI agent powered by Google's Gemini 2.0 model, designed to assist users in completing tasks directly within a web browser. Acting as a browser extension, Mariner can perform actions such as typing, scrolling, and clicking on web pages by understanding on-screen elements like forms, text fields, images, and even code. For sensitive actions, like making purchases, it requires final user confirmation to ensure safety. Mariner aims to streamline workflows and improve user productivity by automating complex tasks. For instance, it can interact with data on a Google Sheet, search for company websites, and extract contact information autonomously. While the current prototype has limitations in speed and accuracy, it is expected to improve rapidly with further testing. In benchmarks, like Web Voyager, Mariner achieved a notable 83.5% success rate for web-based tasks, showcasing its potential for real-world applications. Google is still testing Mariner with trusted users, and there is no official release date yet. This tool is part of Google's broader AI initiatives, which also include Project Astra, another AI project aimed at providing a multimodal and real-time interactive experience through tools like Google Search, Maps, and Lens.